Hello, in physics lab manual you have to complete 4 experiments. So you will be writing the theory part, and when we do the experiments in class we will write the readings. 4 experiments, first, second, third, fourth, and in your book these are mentioned as experiment number 1, 2, 3.1, 3.2, 4.1, 4.2. These experiments you have to do. For the first experiment, you have to write the aim on the right side, that is on these line sheets, and on the left we will be writing the observation. Aim you will be writing, material required you have to write, theory there is no need to write. No need to write this theory. Then you have to write the procedure. You can make them short as well. Make those steps short. So you have to write the procedure, draw the diagram, and then observation you have to write on left. On the blank sheet, you have to write observation on the left. These observation and table, leave them for the time being. Whenever we meet in school, we will write them. And then you have to write the result and precautions. 2 or 3 precautions are enough. Result you can write, precautions you can write. They have to be written on right side. Leave them blank. In second experiment, write the aim, material required, then the procedure, A and B you write. No need of writing them. E you have to write. Don't write C, D. E you write, leave these all. E, these lines you write, 6 lines you write, leave these. Then write from F, G, H, I, J, K. So you have to leave these. That is to determine the pitch. Then how to calculate the least count, leave that. Then description about positive 0 error and negative 0 error, leave them as well. Observation and calculation you will be writing on left. Leave them blank, we will writing them afterwards. Result, 2 or 3 precautions are enough. In third experiment, material required, leave the theory part, procedure you write. These will be on the left side. Write the procedure, I think it is 3.2. Write the procedure, leave the space for them, observation table will be writing on left side. So leave them blank. Result as well, leave them blank for the time being, we will write them afterwards. Mainly you have to complete the aim, material required, and procedure you can complete in your lab manuals.